Vision, a leading local university known to develop excellent and virtuous professionals who are catalysts of progress for both the local and global communities. Mission, University of Eastern Pangasinan is dedicated to producing highly competent and morally responsible Europeans through innovation, industry-focused education, sustainable research, and values-based curriculum. We commit to shaping ethical trailblazer, bringing our principles-centered culture, defining our values of makadiyos, marunong, and malinis. Core values: uprightness, excellence, and passion. The name of my instructor, Philip Michael Awanan. During the Net 101, I learned a lot about the computers, how it works, and the hardware and software, the difference nila, the network models, ganon, and what happen when you send the data from one computer to another, ganon. In the network topologies, mga bus, star, ring, mesh, etc. And ano yung mga disadvantage nila and the advantage and disadvantage nila, ganun. Tapos yung basic cabling and connectivity, and how to proper configuration ng mga cable T568B, T568A, ganon, straight through, crossover, ganon, how to proper insert the cable to RJ45, ganon na po.